This stick vacuum's not doing very well. I wonder why. Well, stay till the end of this test. I'll tell you why the stick vacuum wasn't picking up this dirt and debris. Does this thing suck or is it just user error?
Hey Nathan, I heard you've been working out. You should show your audience how strong you are by moving this heavy fridge. Really, Nathan, you can't move this fridge? Wow, what a disappointment. Well, I guess that gym membership was a waste of money. I highly suggest you get a refund. Alright, I'm gonna leave before you keep embarrassing yourself. Alright, see you later.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Nathan here. Well, we got something very interesting. Alright, so I got the Proscenic P11 stick vacuum, and we got this upright vacuum which costs literally $30 at Walmart. And in this video, I'm going to explain the reasons why you should consider a stick vacuum over a traditional vacuum. There's a lot of unique features that stick vacuums offer that you may not know. Here's the stick vacuum on max power.
Nathan, just give up already. You know you're not very strong.
Oh wow, Sparkles, you're amazing. Thanks so much.
Yeah. Where's my lucky charm since I helped you out?
Alright, so let's talk about the elephant in the room. The biggest downside or limitation to having a stick vacuum is the battery. So they have limited runtime and also capacity. So keep in mind that upright vacuums will always be more powerful since they plug directly in the wall. But you do have hot swappable batteries like on the Proscenic P11. So it's very nice. You can buy 2 or 3 of these and almost have continuous runtime. I believe charge time is about 2 hours, and you either use a power cable to charge directly here, or you could directly charge in a power cradle which you can hang up on your wall. Okay, let's talk about the biggest reasons why people buy stick vacuums. Is look at this. You got so many different attachments compared to a traditional vacuum. Whoa, look at this hosey thing. I only got a single attachment on this cheap vacuum, but if you get more expensive ones, you may have more attachments. But look at this thing. This thing is quite heavy. I believe it's like 15 pounds or so versus like 6 pounds on this unit. Alright, so the Proscenic P11 offers a mopping system. I'll show that in the video. You also have this cool little brush, great for the car or car seats. You also have an extendable wand. You got a shorter like crevice tool. I really like going around the edges. Really picks up a lot of dirt and debris. You got a large motorized head, and you also have a smaller motorized head. So these stick vacuums offer a lot of versatility. Go around your home, get the hard to reach areas like in your couches, along the edges where a traditional stick vacuum may be a little cumbersome. Especially like going on the stairs, you have to work this thing up and down the stairs, where you can just take this and do the quick cleanup job. The Proscenic P11 was fairly lightweight, so it was easy to push this around on the different types of terrain. Also, with 25,000 pascals, it looks like it was able to pick up a lot of the dirt and debris off these rugs and tile. I wanted to see how well the P11 did on my different types of carpets and tiles, so I went ahead and weighed out the dry weight of the dustbin, which was 11 ounces. Now, one nice thing about the P11's dustbin is it's washable, including the filters, so it makes cleanup very easy. Also, I put down 1 ounce of material on each of the rugs. Like my blue rug, it scored 110%, and like on the tiles and the thin rug, it scored like a 98%, so I give it an average around 99%. Well, are you guys still watching, or am I just talking to a brick wall? Well, if you guys are still here, thanks so much. So here's the reason why the P11 didn't do so well on this blue rug in the first challenge. Can you guys guess it?
Nathan, you forgot something. Check this out. I think you really need this component. I think it might help with the section problem here.
Yeah. I kind of forgot to put the dustbin back in the vacuum. Sparkles, I get the point here. I know I was supposed to put the dustbin back. Alright, so basically what happened is I was weighing out the dustbin and I just kind of left it in the corner there and ran this challenge. So it's very important to have suction because you can see without suction, this stick vacuum won't be able to pick up any dirt and debris, or it just spreads it around. Well, what do you guys think? Should Proscenic add a little sensor to make it idiot-proof to prevent the vacuum from turning on if the dustbin's not installed? Whoa, where's this little dude at? Yes, this thing has a washable mopping pad system. Very cool. So I got a clean one here, and all you have to do is just slap it on his Velcro strips. Just like that. Very easy. And now we're going to go ahead and fill up with water on this end or over here, and then you just wet the mopping pad and you should be good to go. I did clean this area with my robotic vacuum and with my regular upright vacuum, and we'll see if this mopping system can pick up any of the fine dust and debris. Open up this little flappy tap here, and we'll put in some warm or cold water. I do not recommend chemicals because there's actually some little filters right here and it could damage these little rubber gaskets. So just use warm or cold water. Also, for a gravity fed system, I do recommend pre-wetting the mopping pad as well. Okay, so we got everything set up. All we have to do is take our motorized head and it just slots in the rear, held on by magnets, and you're good to go. Okay, so like a traditional upright vacuum, you don't have to hold down a trigger. All you have to do is just make sure your battery's full, slip it in here, press the trigger once, and you press again to turn it off. So you don't have to hold down a trigger. Just look into this. Some stick vacuums do require you to hold the trigger down, but for the P11 you don't have to do that. And with the P11, you have a very simple interface. Gives you the battery indicator. Also you can change from 3 modes, from low to high and also auto. So it does have a carpet boost section when it detects carpet. Okay, let's go ahead and wrap up this video. I'll give you my 2 cents. So I wouldn't throw away your upright vacuum just yet. The biggest limitation is the battery power. Yes, you get multiple batteries to run a larger area, but for like RVs or small apartments, these stick vacuums should be able to cover the majority of the area. You get about 30 minutes of runtime on section only, and about 10 minutes on its max power with the motorized head. So if you like these types of videos or if you found them helpful, please give me a big old thumbs up. It really does help out the video. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nathan. This is Drone Masters. I do a lot of head-to-head challenges. I try to do unboxings, reviews, and showcase the performance of the machines or do comparison videos. Now, you guys have a great rest of your day. You guys be safe out there. And I'll see you guys next time. And stay tuned because I got a bunch of products coming down the pipeline. See ya.